Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Komal and Preeti and Madhulika for joining in. And today we are diving into a very beautiful part of set boundary setting. आज हम समझने वाले हैं boundary setting के बारे में बहुत अच्छे deep concepts. But before that, since Preeti was not there with us since last couple of days, let me share कि हमने अभी से पहले let me give you a little recap of what we did yesterday. Hello. So, yesterday, what we did? Yesterday, we talked about what are boundaries, and उन boundaries के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था कि yes, what are boundaries and the signs that we might need healthier ones. Things like neglecting, self-care, overwhelm, and resentment के बारे में पढ़ा था. And we realized that boundaries are not about pushing people away. They're about protecting the peace within. And today, we will go further understanding how boundaries actually work in practice and how people might respond when they begin setting them. And also कि कौन से किस किस किस्म की boundaries होती हैं. ठीक है? तो let me very quickly start sharing the screen. कैमरास ऑन कर लो यार, कोई कैमरास ही नहीं ऑन करता. शक्लें
अरे
देखनी अच्छी लगती है मुझे.
आज भी मुझे जाना है तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सॉर्ट आउट किचन।
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. No worries, no worries. चलो. So today we are understanding boundaries. Creating healthy boundaries leads to feeling safe, loved, calm, and respected. They are an indication of how you allow people to show up for you and how you show up for others. But it does not stop there. The meaning of boundaries. They are a safeguard to overextending yourself. They are self care practice. They define roles in relationships. They communicate acceptable and unacceptable behavior in relationships. They are parameters for knowing what to expect in relationships. They are a way that you ask people to show up by upholding your needs. They are the way to communicate your needs to others, and they are a way to create healthy relationships. They are a way to create clarity so much, and they are a way to feel safe. A boundary is a cue to others about how you treat you. It can be explicit, such as saying, I am about to share something that I would like you to keep between just the two of us. Or implicit, such as having a basket of shoes and socks right by the front of your guests, right? By the front for the guests. As you set your own limits, it is important to remain aware of the boundaries people are trying to communicate to you as well. Our family histories and personalities determine how we implement and accept boundaries. If your family operates on unspoken limits or regularly ignores limits, you will probably grow up lacking the communication skills necessary to be assertive about your needs. For instance, adult children of alcoholics can have a difficulty time setting limits. Parents with addiction issues often send the message that a child's boundaries are not more significant than the parent's addiction. So these children grow up struggling to understand and define limits. If your family origin communicates and respects healthy limits, you are likely more comfortable defining them in any scenario. Personality determines our comfort level with respecting and rejecting boundaries. People with anxious tendencies are more prone to overreact when challenged. Emotional regulation is a common issue as these people are unable to react appropriately given the situation. People who exhibit strong signs of being disagreeable, such as always having to be right, arguing over small details, or struggling to accept differences in others are more likely to push back against boundaries. Openness, receptiveness to change, and consciousness, willingness to learn and grow are personality traits of people who are more likely to respect limitations. Boundaries are essential at all ages. They change in relationships just as the people in relationships change. Transitions such as getting married, going away to college, or starting a family often requires new ones. All right, क्या समझे? Would you like to unmute yourself and share कि क्या समझ में आया? Any of you?
हम्म, कि कई बार कि क्या तुम एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हो किसी रिलेशनशिप में या क्या नहीं,
हम्म
है ना। और
Boundaries define where we are and where we where we where another one begins. Where we are, है ना, जहाँ पे, या फिर वी कैन से वेयर वी एंड एंड द अदर वन पर्सन बिगिंस. जैसे मेरी कंट्री यहाँ पे खत्म हो रही है और यहाँ से पाकिस्तान
हम्म,
स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो दैट इज द
हम्म,
बाउंड्री. So between the two
हम्म,
people, where I end and the other person starts, defines where is the boundary. This is, I would say, an invisible line that protects हमारे mental, um, mental और physical spaces. ठीक है. Also, think of boundaries as the framework of how we allow others to engage with us. मेरे साथ एक छोटा बच्चा किस लहजे में बात करेगा, आई डिसाइड. एंड अगर मैं वो बाउंड्री सेट नहीं करती, तो द चाइल्ड कैन टॉक टू मी जस्ट लाइक ही टॉक्स टू द फ्रेंड. हाउ आई स्पीक टू माई हस्बैंड can be very different from XYZ talking to her husband. And this is boundary set between the couples. Ki this is the line that you do not cross. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ माई मेंटर सेज कि जब नई लड़ाई शादी हुई और लड़ाई होती थी, सिंस शी वाज फ्रॉम अ पंजाबी बैकग्राउंड, शी वुड शाउट एट हिम, एंड ही इज फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. तो हर हस्बैंड वुड कीप ऑन सेइंग, आवाज नीचे, आवाज नीचे, आवाज नीचे, and he would not say anything else than that, because that was the way he was setting a boundary in a relationship. Ki no matter how difficult a situation becomes, how furious you get, this is the volume, that is it. I will not take a volume beyond this. For me, there is a very beautiful this thing कि कुछ मर्जी हो जाए, जितना मर्जी लड़ाई हो जाए, neither me nor my husband are going to, you know, call out wrong names to each other, use abusive language, और मैं उनको उनके ऊपर तू तड़ाक करके नहीं बोलने वाली हूँ कि तू ऐसा, तू ऐसा, तू ऐसा है. वेर इन आई हैव सीन सो मेनी कपल्स की लड़ाई होते ही सबसे पहले आता है तेरा ऐसे, तू ऐसे, तेरे को ऐसे. So that is a boundary that we had set long before and we never crossed it. And when the boundaries are not met, तो relationships खराब होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Yeah. So for you, I would love for you to reflect कि what's one boundary that when respected makes you feel safe or seen. What is that one boundary? अगर वो बाउंड्री को रिस्पेक्ट किया जाए तो आप फील करोगे, आप सेफ फील करोगे, और या फिर यू विल फील सीन.
कि अगर कोई आराम से और प्यार से बात कर रहा है बजाय कि शाउट कर रहा है, अगर कोई शाउट करता है और जैसे चिल्ला रहा है और कोई भी गलत
हम्म
लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहा है, तो लाइक देन इट मीन्स कि ही इज क्रॉसिंग द बाउंड्री, है ना, अगर कोई अब्यूजिव हो रहा है।
हम्म
क्योंकि मैं भी किसी को गलत अब्यूजिव नहीं होती हूँ किसी के साथ भी, तो आई एक्सपेक्ट सेम फ्रॉम अदर्स।
हम्म I would love for you to close your eyes and draw an imaginary circle. This circle is surrounded by a light circle जो आपके आसपास है, around you. And imagine that it is your boundary. Now tell me, who or what do you currently allow to cross that circle too easily, that boundary easily? ये बाउंड्री ना छोटी छोटी चीजों से स्टार्ट हो सकती है और धीरे धीरे इसको एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो आप. सो फर्स्ट इट कैन बी रियली लाइक क्लोज टू यू, कि नहीं मुझको ये चीज एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, मुझको ये नहीं चाहिए. फॉर इंस्टेंस, फॉर दैट मैटर, इट कुड बी एज स्मॉल एज मेरा बच्चा मेरे से इससे ज्यादा ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं करेगा. Once that boundary is set, then you can expand your boundary a little further, a little further. मतलब these boundaries are not punishment. You need to understand that these boundaries are for your own protection, for your own security, your own, you know, space. Because they act. So today in the 6 p.m. session also I was sharing कि ये बाउंड्रीज जो होती है ये बहुत सारी क्लैरिटी लेके आती है. दे आर लाइक जीपीएस फॉर अस. अगर जीपीएस में, अगर हम कार में 5 बंदे एक साथ जा रहे हैं और हमने जीपीएस लगाया हुआ है, एवरीबडी सिट्स विद सच कामनेस. एंड अगर हमारे को रास्ता नहीं पता, हमने जीपीएस नहीं लगाया, तो एवरीबडी इन द कार गेट्स ऐसे हसल्ड. तो boundaries are necessary so that there is a clear communication between the two people. And they are not for controlling, it is absolutely for clarity. And when you define what is okay and what's not, you teaches us to how they have to treat you. You teach others how to honor your humanity. Yes? Hanji Matrika, you
हाँ
unmuted
जी।
yourself. Matrika,
Yeah, hi.
Madhulika, you want to share something?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Boundaries, I think, from my perspective,
Hmm.
boundaries are for ourselves. How I treat myself, how
Hmm.
I wanted myself to be treated.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I will not respond to that energy.
Hmm.
Like, this is not to stop the other one.
Hmm.
This is to stop my reaction. I will not react. I will,
Hmm.
you know, this is for my awareness. This is for my thing, that I will neither absorb nor I will react, nor I will neither I will respond to this energy, because this is out of my this thing. So I
But
think boundaries, yeah.
But if that boundary is not communicated to the person in front of you with whom you are setting these boundaries, then
Not to
the
tell that this is my boundary. No, you stop responding, the other person automatically understands. The same way, we also need to understand the other person's boundary. If someone's boundary is that कि उसको घर के अंदर जूते नहीं पसंद है,
hmm,
right? So it is his boundary. I also need to respect his boundary,
hmm,
right? कि उसको घर में तेज आवाज में म्यूजिक नहीं पसंद है. So it is his boundary. It is not, so it is same way. आप जिनके साथ रह रहे होते हो, you have to make the other person also understand that this is what I want. This is
hmm,
what, how I treat myself. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है दूसरे का तौलिया उठा के सुखाना और दूसरा बेड पे रख के जाता है, इट्स अ वेरी जनरल, है ना, GTBP वी
हम्म
कॉल इट, गीला तौलिया बेड पे.
हम्म
So you don't pick up the towel, let it be there.
हम्म
It's not that you start fighting and you start lecturing. पड़ा रहने दो, don't even respond.
हम्म
और अगर कभी बात हो, या आप एक एक होता है आराम से बात कह देना,
हम्म
है ना. आई थिंक द वन दिस थिंग दैट everyone knows what to speak. It is just how to speak is what is important.
Were you there in today's 6 p.m. session,
No,
Madhulika?
I
Maina?
wasn't. No, I wasn't there. I could not attend that. But yeah, one of my known was there.
हम्म क्या नाम था? उमा?
जी.
उमा उमा है ना?
हम्म.
And she
उनको
was
चैट
very
वैट.
active. No, no, she was very active in the sense that she had her camera on all through, and it was nice having her. Thank you so
हाँ,
much for
उनको
sharing.
थोड़ा सा टेक्नोलॉजी में प्रॉब्लम थी, कि चैट
Hmm.
नहीं आ रही थी करनी, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था अनम्यूट कहाँ से करें
Hmm.
और कैसे करें. और उनको ये भी लग रहा था कि थोड़ा सा अगर और हिंदी में होता तो उनके लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा आसान हो जाता कनेक्ट करना.
Hmm. I
बट
get that.
ठीक है. ठीक है, बट शिल्को पक्षी आस्क मी कि मुझे ये सिखाना कि ये कैसे करते हैं, कि चैट में
Nice.
कैसे जाते हैं, कि मैं भी लिखना चाहती थी पर
Oh.
मुझे आ नहीं रहा था.
Okay.
मैंने कहा ठीक है, मैं उनको बताऊंगी कि कैसे करते हैं, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर स्ट्रगलिंग, वी ऑल आर सेलिंग इन द सेम waters, it is just the boats are different,
Absolutely.
right? So
Absolutely.
I think we all have boundaries. We all have boundaries. It is just we don't convey it in such a way that it is receptive for the other
Yes.
person also.
The way you say something, the pace, the pitch, the body language,
Yes.
your expressions, your
Mm.
energy that you are radiating, your intention behind saying something, all of that matters when you are communicating.
एंड
And
करिश्मा, पहले लगता था कि यू कैन फेक इट, बट अभी लगता है नहीं, आप जिस एनर्जी से ऑपरेट करते हो इट मैटर्स अ लॉट.
yes.
बिकॉज व्हेन यू ऑपरेट फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट एनर्जी, देन ओनली यू फाइंड आउट द फील द चेंज, कि यार यही तो मैं पहले कर रही थी, अभी में और पहले में क्या डिफरेंस है. इट इज ओनली द एनर्जी, द इंटेंशन दैट इज डिफरेंट नाउ,
Yes.
दैट इज शोइंग यू द रिजल्ट्स.
Yes. Energy speaks. Energy sees through.
हम्म.
Even if you are feeling XYZ, and if I am sitting like this, I'm too tired and I'm saying, I'm okay. मैं तो ठीक हूँ. You will automatically know that no, she's not fine,
राइट.
right? ये देखो मेरा बच्चा लेके आया मेरे लिए आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए. Cheers to each one of you. Thank you. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
करिश्मा, एक चीज और, क्या हम यही वाला पैराग्राफ दोबारा रीड कर सकते हैं?
Sure, why not?
हाँ, it's so interesting.
Hmm.
That's beautiful content.
A boundary is a cue to others
Mm.
about how to treat you. ठीक है? It can explicit such as saying, I am about to share something that I would like you to keep between just the two of us. There are two ways. ये एक explicit way है जिसके अंदर आप बता ही रहे हो कि I would love for you to keep this as a secret. And the other way is कि आपने शूरैक घर के बाहर रख दिया है and it is obvious कि आप शूरैक में अपने जूते उतार के फिर मेरे घर के अंदर आओ. Implicit है such as having a basket of shoes and socks right in front of the door for guests. As you set your own limits, it is important to remain aware of the boundaries people are trying to communicate to you as well. ठीक है? Our family histories and personalities determine how we implement and accept boundaries. If your family operates on unspoken limits or regularly ignore limits, you will probably grow up lacking the communication skills necessary to be assertive about your needs. For instance, adult children of alcoholics can have a difficult time setting limits. Parents with addiction issues often send the message that a child's boundaries are not more significant than the parent's addictions. So these children grow up struggling to understand and define limits. If your family or origin communicates and respects your healthy limits, you are likely more comfortable defining them in any scenario. So as we grow up, हमको दिखता है कि कई लोग बाउंड्रीज बहुत सुंदर तरीके से डेवलप करते हैं. And I have been a person who has never set any boundaries. I have been overgiver. I have been over people pleaser. कि हर समय over giving. Even if I'm feeling drained, even if I'm feeling blah blah blah, I would do the work. Very late in my life, I understood the importance of setting boundaries and saying no. कि मुझसे नहीं होगा. Why? Maybe because of the family history. या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कभी ऐसी लिमिट्स नहीं मेरे को नहीं देखने में मिली.
No,
Yeah.
actually, what happens, Karishma, is see, no one has made us sit and told us, you
हमने
know, that
ऑब्जर्व
you are
किया ना वो.
supposed to do.
So when my
It is just it is just we have seen this during our, you know, when we were growing, we have seen this doing. We are, our mothers and all the ladies are like this, the goddess of sacrifice, and the more the lady sacrifice, the more the lady
better she is.
who is suffering and not saying anything is the best one. Those were the benchmarks. अगर आप अच्छी बहू आप तभी हो कि देखो वो तो कुछ भी नहीं बोलती है, उसको तो कोई परेशानी नहीं होती है. शी इज सो जेलेबल, यू नो, शी इज सो मेलेबल, शी इज सैक्रिफाइसिंग, वो पूरा करती है, वो सबको देखती है, शी इज सो वेरी नाइस. सो द पैरामीटर्स दोज वर सेट फॉर अ लेडी, बीइंग अ लेडी, that you are only a good mom, a good housewife, a good bahu, a good everything, only when you sacrifice a lot. You know, our moms, अभी देखो करिश्मा, हमारे घरों में मतलब I am from a background of a middle class family. Okay, rather my father was in Air Force, so it wasn't that मतलब बहुत ऐसे lavish life नहीं थी हमारी. हाँ, एयरफोर्स में तब जब तक 7th पे कमीशन नहीं आया था तब तक तो सैलरीज भी बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी. सो आई हैव सीन दैट कि हमारी मम्मी हमें दूध देती थी तीनों को और वो नहीं पीती थी. You know, that is the type of sacrifice mom used to do. That नहीं, पहले सब खा लेंगे, फिर जो सब्जी बचेगी मैं उससे खा लूंगी.
Yes.
So this is our conditioning. This is what I have seen growing up. That fine, our ideal mom is this only. कि पहले तुम लोग खा लो फिर मैं
नहीं,
खाऊंगी.
गाने भी सारे ऐसे बनते हैं ना, कितनी भोली है, कितनी अच्छी है, ये है वो है.
Exactly. Exactly. Cinema is nothing but the mirror of the society. वो तो वही बताता है, सिनेमा हमेशा वही बताता है जो सोसाइटी में चल रहा होता है. आजकल आप देखो हर सिनेमा में गे कल्चर दिखाते हैं.
Yes.
सो मतलब हम लोगों ने यही देख के हम लोग बड़े हुए हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में भी यही था कि दीज आर द पैरामीटर्स. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड वाइफ, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड, यू नो, तो अ गुड मॉम, सो यू हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस. गुड डॉटर इन लॉ होना तो सबसे ही मुश्किल काम था कि आप कुछ नहीं बोलोगे
और जो करना है सब कुछ करोगे, सब कुछ कर दोगे, अपने आप को न्यौछावर कर दोगे.
न्यौछावर कर दोगे तभी आप एक अच्छी बहू हो. तो हमें सेटिंग बाउंड्रीज का तो कुछ था ही नहीं, सेल्फ लव तो कुछ था ही नहीं हमारे लिए, तो
These
पैरामीटर्स
are
ही
the
अलग थे.
new, you know, these words that we have said. Self love. Self love क्या होता है? पार्लर जाना है. That was what we thought ना, first time जब सुना होगा. अच्छा, self love. What is this self love? खुद को प्यार करो. कैसे प्यार करो? ऐसे थोड़ा करोगे, मैं पागल हूँ.
शॉपिंग कर लो बस,
हाँ, कोई
इतना
बोल
ही
रहा है
आता
खुश,
था.
अपने आप को खुश करना है. ओ, हस्बैंड बोल रहा है शॉपिंग चलेंगे. ओ अच्छा, चलो आज तो मैंने अपने लिए शॉपिंग करी.
हाँ, एक डिनर कर लो, शॉपिंग कर लो, या मूवी देख लो, पॉपकॉर्न खा लो, हो गया आपका सेल्फ लव खत्म.
हाँ.
उसको वहीं पिक्चर हॉल में ही ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः करके आ जाओ बस।
चल आगे बढ़ते हैं। Personality determines our comfort level with respecting and rejecting boundaries. This is what I was actually going to talk about. कि जहां पे हम लोगों ने देखा है कि जितनों को इस चीज के बारे में नॉलेज हो रही है, people have become okay with others also setting boundaries and themselves also are setting boundaries for others. बट जिन लोगों के लिए अब हमारी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मम्मीज हैं, हमारे जो और नानी नानू दादी दादू वगैरह सब होंगे, उनके लिए इट इज नॉट ओके, फॉर देम इट इज अगेन बदतमीजी, एंड दे आर रिजेक्टिंग टू इट, दे आर लाइक ऐसे कौन करता है, ये क्या है, हो दे आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इट. But since we have started reading about it, since we have started knowing about it, we have become comfortable. हाँ यार वो उसकी बाउंड्री है, इट्स ओके, लेट अस बी. और हम में से भी कई होंगे जिनको लगता होगा कि ओहो, ओ ओके, एटीट्यूड आ गया बंदी में. या
हाँ जी.
people with anxious tendencies are more prone to overreact when challenged. Emotional regulation is a common issue as these people are unable to react appropriately given the situation. People who exhibit strong signs of being disagreeable, such as always having to be right, arguing over small details, or struggling to accept differences in others, are more likely to push back against boundaries. Openness, receptiveness to change, and consciousness, that is, willingness to learn and grow, are personality traits of people who are more likely to respect limitations. Boundaries are essential at all ages. They change in relationships just as the people in relationships change. Transitions such as getting married, going away to college, or starting a family often requires new ones. All right. Do you want to say anything on this? Any views, any suggestions, anything that you would like to share before we move ahead?
Yeah, I think, Karishma, the most important is setting boundaries when you are getting married. If you set boundaries at the right time, because when you try to set it later, then everyone is in their discomfort zone. And then it is like she has changed. Because yes, I have changed and I accept it. My husband says, Madhu, you were not like this. I said, yes, I was not like this. He claims, you have changed a lot. I said, yes, thank you. And I think I'm growing. थैंक्स फॉर द एक्नॉलेजमेंट. मैं वही, आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी चेंज हो जाए, हस्बैंड नोटिस नहीं करते हैं, है ना, बट ही नोटिस्ड इट बिकॉज इट वाज इफेक्टिंग हिम, बिकॉज नाउ ही कैन सी दैट आई डोंट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय व्हाटएवर ही सेज. नो, चिल. वही सेम, वही की आवाज नीचे, आई विल नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड. आप जो मर्जी कर लो, मैं ढीठ की तरह खड़ी रहूंगी या बैठी रहूंगी, अपने काम करती रहूंगी. आई विल नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड. हाँ, और फिर 2 मिनट के बाद में जब सब चिल्ला चिल्ली सब सब खत्म हो जाएगी, देन आई विल गो एंड टॉक नॉर्मल. क्या हो गया था, लाइक सो.
Yes,
So
that is the way. That is
yeah,
so.
he knows I will not respond. What come, what may. So he says that you have changed a lot. I said, yes, thank you. Thanks for noticing. Thanks for acknowledging that, yes, I'm growing. So कि तू पहले ऐसी नहीं थी. तो मुझे लगता है कि बाद में लोगों को थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है डाइजेस्ट करने में. सो इट्स गुड. चाहे आप एक नया ऑफिस क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, आपने नया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन किया है, जैसे अभी आप कोई नया स्कूल ज्वाइन करो या कोई नया ऑफिस ज्वाइन करो, इट्स it's better you hold on your guards in the first place, right? जैसे बच्चे स्कूल में जाते हैं, so बच्चों के लिए मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा देखा था that role plays really works a lot. That if
Yes.
someone is shouting at you, या someone is bullying you, what will you do? So that is also setting boundaries, that fine, I will not react, and you will not shout. She will not insult that person. She will not, uh, but she will not even accept that, whatever the other person is saying. So
Mm.
जब आप पहली बारी में बाउंड्री सेट कर दो तो फिर सब ऑटोमेटिकली एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन प्लेस. Otherwise, yeah, it's never too late.
I still remember when I was getting married, my parents had met Neeraj's parents, and the first time I was supposed to go to Neeraj's house, come to Neeraj's house. So I was asking my mom कि मम्मी सूट लेके दे दो, सूट पहनना है ये वो, and my dad was like, what do you wear on daily basis? I was like, I wear jeans and top. Papa said, wear that. I'm like, हाय राम, अपने ससुराल जाना है मैंने पहली बार. And Papa is like, you wear that. And I did not know that was setting a boundary. That was setting, this
Their
thing.
expectation. हाँ.
Yes. कि उस समय मैं चली गई, and later I realized when something happened at my home and my father-in-law said, ये तो बच्ची है, ये तो बचपन से यही कपड़े पहनती है, तुझको क्या हुआ? Because my sister-in-law started wearing jeans and everything after I came in this house, and she felt कि she wears, so I can also wear. So she started wearing it as well. But that was not acceptable to my father-in-law. And she's like, he was like, ये तो बच्ची है, ये तो शुरू से पहनती है, तुझको क्या हो गया? उसको देख के तू क्यों बदल रही है? And that day I realized, oh, पापा ने ये काम किया था. And now when I think of it, it was like, setting the context in advance. This is how I dress up. And if you have a problem, say it now, or else I am like this only.
Exactly. अगर आप उस दिन सूट पहन के चले जाते हैं तो they will expect the same कि हाँ ठीक है, she is ready to change and she has changed.
Hmm.
है ना कि ये सूट में ही रहेगी. The best move. Very nice. Cool. Cool dad.
Yes, my dad is very cool. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. There are actually
Karishma, it matters so much how emotionally mature parents are. You know, that flows, that इसी को बोलते हैं ना, आपको संस्कार वहीं से मिलते हैं. You get intelligence actually.
Hmm.
Oh, you get intelligence, you behave like them. When emotionally stable parents, they raise a child, the child is already emotionally stable because he knows how to handle, handle the emotions, how to handle other person's emotions also. So yeah, wow, nice story, Karishma. Thanks.
All right. There are actually 3 levels of boundaries. किसको इसको पता था 3 levels होते हैं? नहीं ना, मुझे भी नहीं पता था. मुझे भी नहीं पता था. So let's read. See if any of these sounds familiar to you. Okay? All ears here. 3 किस्म की है. Porous, rigid and healthy. Okay? Porous. Porous boundaries are weak or poorly expressed and are unintentionally harmful. They lead to feeling depleted, overextending yourself, depression, anxiety, and unhealthy relationship dynamics. Kim, from the opening story, is an example of how porous boundaries can manifest and damage well being. Porous boundaries look like oversharing, codependency, enmeshment, lacking emotional separation between you and another person, inability to say no, people pleasing, dependency on feedback from others, paralyzing fear of being rejected, accepting mistreatment. Examples of porous boundary settings: saying yes to things you don't want to do, loaning money to people because you feel obligated or when you don't have funds to do so. Okay. Then comes rigid. एक साथ डिस्कस करते हैं इन तीनों को, ठीक है? Rigid. At the other extreme, rigid boundaries involve building walls to keep others out as a way to keep yourself safe. But staying safe by locking yourself in is unhealthy and leads to a whole other set of problems. Whereas porous boundaries lead to unhealthy closeness, enmeshment, rigid ones are self-protective mechanism meant to build distance. This typically means from a fear of vulnerability or a history of being taken advantage of. People with rigid boundaries do not allow exceptions to their stagnant rules, even when it would be healthy for them to do so. If a person with rigid boundaries say, I never loan people money to people, they never stray from that, even if the friend who isn't the type to borrow money is in its crisis. Rigid boundaries look like never sharing, building walls, avoiding vulnerability, cutting people out, having high expectations of others, enforcing strict rules. Examples of rigid boundaries are saying no harshly as a way to discourage people from asking you in the future, having a rule that you never watch your sister's kids. Now, what is healthy boundaries? Healthy boundaries are possible when your past does not show up in your present interactions. They require an awareness of emotional, mental, and physical capacities combined with clear communication. Healthy boundaries look like being clear about your values, listening to your own opinion, sharing with others appropriately, having a healthy vulnerability with people who have earned your trust, being comfortable saying no, and being comfortable hearing no without taking it personally. And what are the examples of healthy boundary settings? Saying no without apologizing because it is the healthiest choice for you at the moment. Supporting people financially when appropriate and when you can do so without causing financial harm to yourself. हम्म आगे समझ तीन किस्म की क्या है बाउंड्रीज होती हैं एक रिजिड एक पोरस और एक हेल्दी हम्म हेल्दी सबसे अच्छी होती है वो हमको समझ में आ गया पोरस होती है पोरस इज सेइंग यस व्हेन यू मीन टू से नो यू आर ओवर शेयरिंग you are feeling responsible for others emotions as well rigid में you completely shut down it is like you close yourself in a room keeping everyone at one arm's distance कहते थे ना हम ऐसे one arm distance में assembly में खड़े होते थे you keep people away from you मेरे से दूर and you would avoid connecting with people so that nobody can hurt you either और हेल्दी का तो बहुत ही अच्छा है ये नोइंग योर लिमिट्स एक्सप्रेसिंग कम्युनिकेशन अच्छे से करोगे अपनी जो भी नीड्स होंगी और क्या था स्टेइंग फ्लेक्सिबल गेट फर्म you will accept others boundaries and you will your boundaries will also be you will be sharing your boundaries as well um, क्या kindly or firmly yeah. How many of you have seen any of these kind of boundaries in your life with any of the people in your lives? तो गए निन्नी आ गई
I think I used to have porous boundaries, but now I'm moving towards healthy ones,
awesome good
like without offending anyone, setting boundaries. I'm learning.
we have seen so many people ना जब मेरे मेरे जो नाना थे नानू है ना he used to be like this इस कमरे में मत आओ and we used to feel so hurt and whenever he would say that he would actually hold our arm from here and he would take us out of the room as well and we used to feel कि कैसे से है it was hurtful and that was he it was a very rigid boundary for him कि भाई मैंने बोल दिया ना इस कमरे में नहीं आना तो मतलब नहीं आना हमने मूवीज में कई बार देखा है ऐसी बाउंड्रीज होते हुए पोरस इज स्टिल बेटर पोरस का शिफ्ट होना टुवर्ड्स हेल्दी इज सो मच इजियर आई बिलीव रिजिड का शिफ्ट होना इज डिफिकल्ट और हमारी हम एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को लगता है कि हमारी हर अगर हम ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी देखें वी हैव somewhere we have porous these boundaries, somewhere we have rigid boundaries, and somewhere we have healthy boundaries as well. So
Yeah,
for
with
me,
kids, we have porous.
yes. So for me, it is like for non-veg, I'm not going to eat non-veg. I'm not going to share the plates with my husband if he's having non-veg. It is a very rigid boundary. नहीं होगा भैया, मेरे से नहीं होगा. अभी आप बुरा मानो अच्छा मानो बदला. But then I communicated. I have already communicated it before marriage only. तो हो सकता है इसलिए वो it does not seem so rigid. It does not seem that harsh. But it is a boundary that is not going anywhere. No matter what happens, it's not shifting. आपको हर्ट भी होगा तो भी मुझे चलेगा बट नहीं तो नहीं. तो हम लोग हर जगह पे कुछ ना कुछ यूज करते होंगे. कहीं पे पोरस भी चलती होगी, कहीं पे हेल्दी भी चलती होगी.
That's a good way of looking at it.
नहीं एक्चुअली ना क्योंकि हम तो कोई सती सावित्री तो है नहीं है. We are not the bestest of us either. We all are on a journey to become the bestest versions of ourselves. तो मुझे तो लगता है कि we are always sinking between everything. सब कुछ है थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा. किसी के पास थोड़ा सा कुछ
Gray
ज्यादा हो
area.
गया होगा, किसी के yes somebody would have healthy boundaries थोड़ी ज्यादा and porous and rigid कम कम. किसी की भी सारी इक्वल होंगी, किसी की कुछ ज्यादा बड़ा छोटा नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है ना, इट्स ओके. The only thing is that we need to know कि हाँ this is this. Now what do I need to do about it? Right? Think about one area in your life that is work, relationships, family, कहीं पे भी. Which type of boundaries do you tend to use mostly? कहाँ पर वर्क में कैसी बाउंड्री सेट करते हो? तभी मैंने बोला ना हर जगह पे हमारा बाउंड्री सेटिंग का वे अलग ही होता है. हमारी लेवल ऑफ बाउंड्री सेटिंग भी अलग होता है.
I think work may healthy boundaries. We can't be rigid. We can't be porous.
यस ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि काम
We
करना है ना
have to
लोगों
be
के
a
साथ.
little diplomatic and
And still you have to be flexible yet firm. You have to tell them
yeah,
whatever
right.
it is. Good. And family में relationships में मतलब you gotta think about it. And you've then उसको बाद you also have to think about कि what is one step you can take to move from porous or rigid to healthy. क्योंकि ultimate aim is to have healthy boundaries, not neither porous not rigid. ठीक है. I think we should close the session today here only. क्योंकि next part is a little lengthy, जिसके अंदर we are going to read about 2 parts of setting boundaries. और वो 2 parts हैं, एक तो communication और दूसरा action. Do you want to go ahead or shall we stop it here? बताओ, जैसी जनता बोलेगी हम वैसा करेंगे.
I think we can pause. काफी insights हो गई आज.
Sure. चलो ठीक है. Next we are meeting on Monday at 10 p.m. ठीक है. So take care of yourself. Have a wonderful and a beautiful weekend. Enjoy it. Take good care of yourself and your family. And lots and lots and lots of love. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.